I'm like, bro, you need to tell me what that weight is. Because this feeling of heartbreak, I never want to feel it again. How do I ensure that I'll be happy forever? He said, Imran, place your love and your happiness in the one that will always remain. Allah. Brothers and sisters, light or darkness, sadness or sorrow, Allah isn't going anywhere. Allah is always there. The whole world can turn their back on you, but Allah will always be there. If you place your love and your happiness in other than Allah, brothers and sisters, your love and your happiness is temporary. But if you place your love and your happiness in Allah, then your love and your happiness is permanent. So brothers and sisters, I explained that to you so you understand from the get-go that you see, there are people like, you want a long-term solution onto how to get over this heartbreak. A short-term solution is I can tell you some nice cool stuff and then you'll forget about this guy. But sister, you're gonna fall in love with another guy, aren't you? And no doubt he's gonna break your heart too. Because we human beings are like that, we're not perfect, you know? We slip up, we make mistakes. So if you really want to get over this heartbreak right now, and you want to protect yourself from any heartbreak in the future, then brothers and sisters, what you need to take from me right now, and you need to write this in gold, is that you need to fall in love with Allah. You must fall in love with Allah. Because if you don't fall in love with Allah, your happiness is never going to be permanent. Brothers and sisters, I need your attention for just 1 minute. Our brothers around the world, they need help. Some of them, if they don't get food and water to drink, they are going to die. And then there's others, like those who are back home, who live on the same streets as us. And if they don't get help in terms of spiritual help, they might lose their faith. Now, both those whose lives are in danger and whose faith are in danger, they both need to be helped. But I want to explain to you the repercussions of not helping both of them. You see, if you don't help those who are suffering when it comes to starvation, at least when they die will die Muslims. And all that they will leave, or all that they will lose at the end, is their life of this world. But like, if you don't help those brothers and sisters who are struggling in terms of their faith, if they die, then they might actually lose their afterlife and potentially be entered into the hellfire for a period of time, if not eternity. For that reason, it's important that we don't neglect these brothers. For that reason, we started up a project called Umrah with the Mandem, where we take brothers and sisters from around the world, specifically the UK, specifically London, and we take them with us. And we set up a program that facilitates for them to change. We also provide them support for when they return. And we always select a handful of brothers who can't afford it themselves. And this time, we have taken on board more people without paying anything than we ever have before. And we are in urgent need of their costs being covered. So if you would like to help facilitate towards someone's life changing, then please go to the link below, inshallah ta'ala, and donate generously. Remember, if they change their life, then you're actually helping them, inshallah ta'ala, be a part of saving their afterlife. And in terms of reward, then any good that they do from this point onwards, if they change because of your donation and you're sincere, then you're going to get all that reward as well. So on the Day of Judgment, you get this mountain of good deeds, prayers, charity, fasts, all this stuff that you've never done. But why did it come your way? Because you facilitated with Allah's permission for someone to make change. And then when he changed, he or she did all of these things. And now that reward is all on your scales on a Day of Judgment. So please, brothers and sisters, be as generous as you can. Go to the link below, donate like crazy. Barakallahu feek. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.